do a vegetable stamping art. So the colors is white, red or pink, yellow and green. It's poster colors and brush. And I choose okra because it's like a flower type. So I'm gonna do flower. Right? And let's get straight on to the end. Get black paper and draw a vase. Okay? Let's get straight on to the video. Alright guys, now you take your okra and dip it a little bit in the white. Okay guys, now we will put our white stamp. See? So we'll carry on the steps until maybe it's all covered. Make sure it's poster color. See? So this is called a vegetable stamping art. You can call it art or it's a craft. Let's go on each of the steps. Love doing this. I feel like eating, you know, but now. So just like this. It's like a 3D thing. So, see, it's really a relaxing type of art. So you can do this with your parents because sometimes it's like an art. You might get all your paint on your hands. This poster card is very stick. So carry on. Make sure it has a little bit space so the thing is like, you know, reality. See? It's my palette making the noise. So I guess we're almost done with the glass. We're done. Guys, this is the vase. So this is the one, you can see it close up. Okay, the next step to do is take your yellow paint and your okra, and wherever your flower want to be, you will And then the third step, you take your pink paint and keep it. Alright guys, now we will do the yellow one. Here. Here. Maybe that's okay. And another one here. If you think too much, you put in your palette and voila. Alright guys, now take your pink paint or take your pink paint, just make sure you do it the pink color all over, so it will be like a flowery type picture. Let's get out. Make sure you have space and don't touch the yellow. And you continue the steps. See like this, guys. Alright, I'm on my next flower now. It's looking great now. Just gonna see this flower. It's very nice, right? Ooh. Okay guys, we are almost done with our flower. I'm so excited to get the finishing touch. Can't wait to see the finishing touch. Hey guys, we're done. Okay guys, look at the magical wand of my painting. So the next thing we are going to do, the next step, is to get a brush, dip it in your green, do some stems. From here, from here, from here, from here, from here, everywhere, and some leaves. And we will be done. Okay guys, now take your pencil and draw the stem and leaves. And now color. Paint it. Now you take your green color brush and just like that. Tissue. Guys, be extra careful with the other paints that have not dried. Almost done. So guys, we are done now. So if you want to write your signature, you can, but I don't want to write my signature. I want this drawing to be like really effective. So yeah, I'm not gonna do, and I will show you the finishing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna explain the steps again, so you might do it. So first you draw it, and then you take your white and it, you can see here, and then the next thing you get your yellow and okay. The next other step is the pink or red. The finishing part is the stem and leaves. Thanks for watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a big thumbs up for my Instagram page and my Facebook page. Goodbye.